Jagan Garu, before I call you on stage, just a word on what we had the privilege of visiting one of your schools here in Tirupati to see the kind of development that has happened in the education sector, and the fact your development, your schemes have really seeped into every layer of Andhra Pradesh, to every city, to every single town. And I think a lot of us, me and my colleagues, when we were at these schools, discussed very often saying we wish we studied in one of these schools because of the kind of steps that were taken, the fact that they were IFPs, the fact that every student had a tablet, and this is something we spoke in great detail about as well. You know, all of this ensures is a model that Andhra Pradesh follows, is perhaps something every state can learn from.
మన రాష్ట్రంలో ప్రతి కుటుంబం నుంచి కూడా ఒక సత్యానాదేల రావాలి అని చెప్పి తాపత్రయం నాది. వ్యతిరేకంగా ఎన్ని మాటలు మాట్లాడినా, నన్ను టార్గెట్ చేసినా కూడా దేవుడి మీద నమ్మకం ఉంచాలి, ప్రజల దీవెనల మీద నమ్మకం ఉంచాలి, ముందడుగులు వేయాలి, వేస్తాను అని చెప్పి గట్టిగా కూడా చెప్తా ఉన్నాను.